The army in Burkina Faso said that 17 soldiers and 36 volunteer fighters have been killed in heavy clashes with militants in the northern part of the country. Reports have termed the clashes the worst attack in months in the West African country that for years has been overrun by hardline militants. Burkina Faso has been battling armed groups in its desert north since 2015. According to reports, some of the groups have links to Al Qaeda and Islamic State. Several reports emerging from the country revealed that attacks have worsened this year. The unrest has turned the country into an epicenter of a violent movement that has also engulfed poverty stricken Mali and Niger, killing thousands and forcing millions from their homes. Efforts by the army to retake areas have often led to huge increases in violence. The latest fighting in Burkina Faso took place on Monday in Yatenga province. The statement from the army said that Yatenga is where the army has been trying to reconquer territory to allow displaced villagers to return home. Operations were still underway in the area. Burkina Faso saw 2 military coups last year, triggered in part by insecurity. After the second coup in October, Burkina Faso ordered French forces to leave amid growing tension between the junta and Paris. Short on troops and supplies, Burkina Faso's rulers have turned increasingly to volunteer defense forces to help. As per reports, these armed civilians who help police the rural north are frequently caught up in deadly assaults, including in April when 34 were killed in a raid. The junta has also looked to Russia to fill the void left by France's exit. A Russian delegation held talks with Burkina Faso's interim president Ibrahim Traoré last week at a meeting that included discussions on possible military cooperation.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.